This is the whole set of the 1000 kilowatt diesel engine generator. This part is the diesel engine. The left part is the air filter, and this part is the noise removing system. And this is the central part. It is the generator. It supplies the electricity to all your equipment. And this part is the fan. It used to reduce the temperature. And this part, it is a cooling system. Inside is the freeze.